Hello, hello, hello. Just getting set up. Okay. Oh, I gotta finish cleaning this office. All right. So, I need to figure out how error messages will work, how it will detect errors. Let's do this. Okay. Hey, Osaka. How you doing? Trying the dark classical today. We'll see how that goes. So I got my parser working last night. I had to go back to school and read the manual more carefully. Okay, cool. Oh, this should be equals, not doesn't equal. Very ominous music for today. I also figured out how to do how to debug this, because it messes with the terminal, so you can't just print. Yeah, there we go. So I just output it to a file and then look at it this way. And I got it actually setting up a color. So that's that's like step one. So this is the ANSI code there, 800, and the color is 800. And then it determines if it's foreground or background. The background color is kind of weird. We got an ad. Hey Yakov, how's it going, man? That's Zardoz. Zardoc. Yeah, so I had to work it yesterday. I had to reread the manual a few more times to figure out what I was doing wrong. But now it's working. How you meant Zardoc? Yeah, how's your game going? I know Zardoc kind of works. Yeah, the Zardoz. Yeah. If you watch the movie, it's basically the middle of Wizard of Oz. It's sort of like has a play in the movie. There's a reason for it. Yeah, Zardoz is a movie. That's where my name comes from. Yeah, I guess we got to show everybody again. You ever wonder why I'm so weird? I'm named after this guy. That's me. Zardoz, yeah. There you go. It's worth a watch. Either you're absolutely gonna hate it or you're gonna love it. Think it's probably one of the best things ever. Yep, it explains everything. Oh. Alright, so explanation for what's going on. Right now I only have one action. I'll be adding to this as I run into it. Actually two. Basically, there's a couple ways to do it. Let's look in the scratch pad. ANSI parser with a scanner. Yeah. So you can use the scanner, which is what you do in like normal programming language scanning, right? And in those you have a token and then an action. Token, action. This worked, but you had to do this thing where like you process all the characters except for escape, and then when you hit an escape, you jump to the scanner, process the scanner, and when you're done, you jump back. Right, so it's a very powerful way to do it, but it didn't quite get the ANSI codes parsed correctly. There was a lot of cleanup and stuff. So I did that one. I did like 5 versions of this yesterday. I did a handwritten one, and that got gnarly real quick. And then I did one using a scanner. I started one with RE to C, but then I realized the one with RE to C, let me do that real quick. It would have the same problem as a scanner one, because it's just a scanner. It needs to be slightly more sophisticated, which is why I was using Ragel. And so then finally figured out how to do it here. So the scanner gave me the clue. And the idea is, so this is basically a gigantic regex, right? What we do is, we do, that's the action. So that's going to print any character that's not a control sequence. So we look for any character that's not the escape character. Oh, I should change that to be escape. So this says, search for any character that's not escape. And then we organize it so that we say the ANSI code has priority. So that's what this little smiley face does. So it will process other, but it'll try to process this first. And we just say do as many as you can, and then we just take and we put all the ANSI sequences we want to process inside here. We have the start, we have that, and there you go. And so then I sort of figured out I can do individual actions for red, blue, green. So that's color codes, resets. Basically, I'll have to figure out what reset does, but it should just set it to like a default color sequence. And then the color codes, really simple. There's a SF color variable, so I'm using SFML, and it has a color struct. And so rather than create a color struct over and over and over again, I'm going to start off by just setting the RGB of 1, and then reuse that over and over. So that's it. Anytime I do red, blue, green, it goes there. Now, I also did some bit twiddling version where it was more like whenever it ran into num, it did like this. Oh, no. Or equal. So in this one, instead of just parsing value right away, I parsed a 8-bit integer color, and then you shift it over left. Because the SFML color API, it can take a 32-bit integer that has red, blue, and green, and then an alpha channel. So every time you read a number, you just shift it left, and then when you're done, you have a color code. But then I realized that they're probably unshifting that, so it's kind of pointless. It's sort of like they're going to unshift it and turn it into this, I bet. So then I switched and just did RGB. So in theory, we've got color codes coming out. We just now have to get it to actually render to the screen. Right? That's today's task, is take this thing, hand it the window, and have it start writing characters to the screen for me. All right. Okay, let's get rid of that real quick. And then the other thing will be detecting errors. I'll have to see what to do with error codes. All right, let's look for all the print. I think I can get rid of that now. I don't know if I need these actions. Yeah, I think I need these. For the next. Yeah, let me try something real quick. Let's get that to go. And this, I think, will have to probably be the part where it actually sets the color. So that'll do the SFML call to set the color. And then this one will do the SFML call to actually write the character. Okay, let's give it a shot. Yeah, so that's working. Yeah, so you can see now it's correctly, it prints the color and it sets the color code there. This is a background color, this is foreground. And that's what the test code is actually doing. All right. And let me run it, make sure we still actually have some kind of a game. Yeah, so the goal is, first I'm going to get it to render just this. The goal is to get that rendering thing to render all of this, and then I'm going to make my own, or maybe I'll steal some codes, but I'm going to make my own little ANSI codes for doing things like making things shake or move and stuff like that. It's going to be awesome, trust me. Alright, cool. We can fight stuff. We can adventure around. Okay. Alright, let's get this to render somewhere. Actually, I want to do this real quick. That should be fine. I might do a art stream tonight. I really want to do some drawing. Yeah, so this, I believe, yeah, this should be, that's it. I think that's what we're printing. And yeah, and that. Okay, cool, perfect. We're just doing one line. Well, let me just make sure, hold up. Yeah, here, let me undo that real quick. Yeah, that's basically what we want. Okay, cool. Okay. I think probably the easiest is to get it to open a window. Maybe I can send it to an image. Yeah, we get to the part where it's a little bit difficult to test. Yeah, I almost feel like I gotta do it live. But okay, let me look. Actually, probably the easiest place. Yeah, it's kind of gnarly. Yeah, this is where it has to go. Yeah, I basically need to pull all this in. A white hat? No. I don't do any hacking stuff. Computer security stuff. If you're referring to the word hacking in the description, hacking is long before computer security actually meant fucking around with code. Having fun writing code. Not really planning it, but it's sort of like diving into it and making stuff happen. Let me look at... Let me look at that RL file again. I might do something that's probably not super fast, but it'll make it a little bit easier to test. Yeah, Yeah, okay, I know what I gotta do. Right, I think... Nah, we can even go a little more... Yeah, I think we could do a couple callbacks. And that'll be... Yeah, what I'm thinking is, I want to be able to do tests where I feed it a bunch of garbage, but it doesn't actually render to a window. And then also be able to call this inside my renderer and actually have it draw. So I'm thinking just some callbacks would probably do that. Yeah, so let's do this. Yeah, right about here. This is kind of what we want. And I'm going to have it do... Yeah, let's do something kind of... It'll be kind of jank, but I think it'll work. To get started. Nope, actually we can just have one. Yeah, okay, so bool is foreground. Color. And char or W char? Let's do char for now, and then yeah, okay, we'll do that. That's what we want to do. We want to pass it just a simple callback. And then this will get called in the parser whenever it wants you to draw something. And then probably what I'll have to do, so basically I want to have a test, I want to be able to run the test, but probably eventually I'll make it where the test actually generates an image. Yeah, okay. So let's go color. Okay, cool. That's what we want. I think I'll do a type def for that. Let's call it right. Okay, that goes there. Then in here. This actually. Oh shit, I'm probably gonna do this wrong. Oh my god, I'm blanking on the syntax for that. That's wrong. Look away. Look away. Okay. Alright, we just gotta go figure out what that syntax is. And I think we're good. Okay, I think that'll get us something. It's not gonna compile. Yeah. Okay. Let's do that and then go look up. Yeah, how do you do a type def to that? I think it might just be standard function. This. Well, let me go look it up. Yeah. Do I need to do that? Alright, we'll find out. Okay, cool. Syntax error over in the test. Oh, yeah. That's too complex. Okay. Ah, okay. Might be too much to include, but we'll just do that. Okay. What do you mean it hasn't been declared? I'm still doing this wrong? Right, let's skip the Disney villain. I think I might have to pick a different genre. There we go. So let's hope this one doesn't go dramatic. What an absolute hell's going on here? Oh, not even including my own thing. That's stupid. Okay, cool. Alright, it builds. Okay, so we have a write callback. And this is just going to get called every time. And then we just do the actual processing. So right here. Nope, actually it's not there. It's going to be... Yeah, right. There we go. Yeah, I think that's going to do it. And then reset will effectively change that back. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Oh, weird. Okay. I guess that's a reserved word. Okay, we got something. So I'll have to, doing a background is kind of weird. SFML doesn't really have a concept of it, so I actually write a base character to the screen and then write one on top of it. Okay, let's confirm. Yeah, that's gonna be tough. Because actually, by the time I get to here... Okay. Yeah, I may need to do that. Yep, okay. Yeah. Yep, that's it. That's it. Wonder if I should pass those by reference. Yes. Yeah, it's fine. Yes, that's what we want. Background's not getting set though. Yeah, foreground and background should be different. It should be setting background to a color, foreground to nothing. Okay. Oh, another way to do it. Ah. Yeah. Yeah. Just keep pointing a reference at each one. Okay. Yeah. That's what we want. It's setting, yep. Oh, this might be backwards. Yeah, I think it's foreground and background. But that's what we want. We want them to change. Do I have those wrong? 38 is foreground. What the shit? No, that's wrong. Let's start here and then. Yeah. Is foreground. Foreground color. Run that one more time. Yep, BG color, color, and the character. Okay. Huh, am I just wrong? Yeah, it should be setting the background color. Just to make sure, let's do plus 99. Yeah, for some reason I'm targeting the wrong color. What the hell? Now it's doing the right one. Huh? Huh? What the fuck? Probably hitting some undefined behavior. Oh, you forgot a semicolon, a space before your semicolon. Now the compiler can completely destroy your code. Am I going crazy, or did it just suddenly start working and I did nothing? Hey, a win is a win. Right. We're just going to go with that for now. Yeah, but this is correct. This is what we want. So you have a foreground color, which should be start as black text, and background color, because it's basically doing a color field to show like the colors filled out, and then the character to write. All right, so now we just got to render that in our window. Okay, and then there's just one more thing we got to do. Okay, we have these reset codes. I think I can go. That's probably foreground. Yeah, let me look. Yeah, default foreground, default background. Yeah, so a lot of these actions are empty for now. Yeah, we'll need some default colors to start with. Yeah, let's just leave these blank for now. We'll handle the reset codes in a bit. Alright, so that might be enough to get working. Cool. All right. Let's try it on there. Yeah, not bad. That's not too much code to do it. I mean, it's overkill for handling this one thing, but eventually it'll handle everything that I throw at it. And then we'll get error checking so we can handle errors and stuff. But now, renderer. Okay. First, let's update the Mason build. Yeah. Oh, that's not what we want. This one. And I think we can bring all these back. And I'll be right back and I'll make some more tea. Alright, so let me go to I should probably do something where I track these values. But yeah, we'll just let's do that for now. Okay. Alright, now comes the magic. Smash them together. Hope it works. Okay, cool. Ah. Kind of test framework doesn't let you do logic. It's so dumb. Yeah, it's a total fail. Okay, great. And then I gotta fix screen so it stops messing up the terminal output. That's for later. Okay, so now let me think. Actually, does that happen when I do? It does. Okay. All right, so this is the goal. We're going to render just a map. Right. Yeah, right here. I think I may keep this. Yeah, that we can do a comparison. Yeah, let me do that. Okay, clear. I think that might fail. We might need to change to a W char, but let's just do that. Yeah, we'll do that much, and then Yes, okay, so we get that, and then we do the... and then the map. Okay, so let's bust that up, actually. Yeah, just kind of an internal thing. I could even just do this. Actually, let's switch these real quick while I'm working on it so I can kind of run it. Yeah, and then this is the part that we want to re-render. We want to do all this using the parser. And in fact, let's clean this out so that way it doesn't have any of my little hacks like this. Yeah, because all this positioning math still applies. But I don't need this guy. And that. Yeah. So in a way, this is going to kind of go inside that callback. Yeah, so the callback is taking over this if statement and the for loop. So all we need is this kind of logic here to set the position, set the color, so on and so forth. Yeah, okay. Let's just confirm that keeps working. Okay. Oh, yeah, that should probably be... yeah, let's just do that. Yeah, just do that. Okay. The shit is that? Now I'm getting warnings. 78 and 70. Okay, cool. Why is it bitching about that now? Weird. Oh yeah, I can get rid of this. What the fuck? Okay. my god. Just the fuck, man. Let me see. Can I compare it to 0? That would be good. Yeah, that conversion of size crap is just a bunch of bullshit. They should just make that automatic. All right. Yeah, can't I do this? Yeah, let's try that. Yeah, so that's not it. Oh my god. Yes, finally. There we go. All right. Okay, make sure this is all cleaned up. Alright, we'll do this much and then... Yeah, so that will... no map will show up, but we'll get everything else. Or get nothing. Oh, really? Classic. Ah, and that. Yes. Okay, we got that. Good. Okay, so I think I'm going to grab this to start. But... let's keep this a little bit simpler. Now, SFML is probably going to eat it. But we'll just see what we get. Okay. Yes, that's what we want. Let's just ignore the color and then we'll... I think that still applies. I'm going to bring back my test logging. Yeah, right here. I might have to change it. Yeah, I suppose I'm a little bit softer. I kind of like some of them though. Still feeling the classical. Right, this is string ensemble. Hopefully less dramatic. Okay, yeah, it seemed to work. Not sure why. Oh, that's right. I wanted to look at. Is it dropping a new line? No, it's not. That's gonna be a problem. All right, we'll have to figure that out. Yeah, how the hell does it render that? Yeah. Okay, he's dropping a new line. Yeah. Okay, great. Huh. Alright, so 35, 32, what the fuck is 13? Yeah. Yeah, what is 35? Right, and 32. Oh, is it, yeah, because this is Windows. Eventually I should probably just stop confirming that. Yeah, that's what it was. Okay. Back to business. Okay, now we can start drawing characters. Okay, we need this, but we don't need the background. If we hit a new line, we should do that. Yeah, we also need that. Okay, great. And then... Okay, yeah. A lot of this is going to be like exactly the same. I could probably pull these up into a separate function. But let's just do copy pasta for now, because I'm basically going to like get rid of this function, and then I can clean it all up. Okay, so we set the background sprite position. We keep track of X and Y. Yep. Set the sprite bounds, center it inside the cell. Set the position. Okay, and then we have this part. Okay, so that changes there. Yeah, so we want the background color. That comes from the callback. And then this one. Set the foreground color. Okay. This actually does that. Okay, I can get rid of that. All of these will change, but I suspect... Yeah, I suspect I'll have to change these characters to something that's just simple ASCII. But we'll give it a try. I think SFML will probably barf. Let me draw the two sprites and we advance one. Alright, moment of truth. If everything in my head went well, then this will probably draw some garbage, but it'll at least draw. Let me just confirm. Where is that defined? Okay, yep. All right, moment of truth. Let's just confirm that's done and then run. I get some compiler errors. Yeah. 184. Yeah, where are you? Wait, what? I broke it. Might be. Yeah, it's something up here. Ah, yeah. Angling else. And let's rename this to tile. Okay. I think I might redo that logic a bit, but we'll see. Okay. Yeah, I'm really feeling the classical music today. Not sure why. Getting old. Yesterday I was complaining about healthcare. Today I'm playing classical. Pretty soon I'm going to start waking up at 6 a.m. finding the best deals for breakfast. Okay, we got something. We got to something. It didn't crash. Yeah, you young kids with your TikToks. Actually, I need to start trying to do some TikTok. It looks like a lot of fun. Yesterday I was, I must have been laughing for like 20 minutes. I thought I was going to die. I was laughing so hard. And it's not even TikTok, it's just like people take TikToks and they put them on Instagram. But this old lady dropped a Mentos in a soda. Oh my god. I was dying. Oh, even to think about it. Just terrible. Okay, and then we're getting something, but let me grab. Let's do this. And not do this. Also, let me confirm that's the actual API. Background, foreground, yeah. I might be switching it again, which is just really weird. Okay. And, actually, let's do it this way. Yeah, let's skip color for now. Just make sure we're actually rendering. Okay. Yeah. We're gonna pick some different colors. Yeah, that's working a lot better. It's rendering this as 2 different characters because I'm using because I didn't set it to be Unicode. So we'll just change that really quick. Where's that going to be? GUI? Yeah. I mean, but can you blame me, right? Like, I don't think that TikTok would be too popular because programmers would be like, yeah, so? It's not a hot take. Error messages suck. I think is it the header file? What the shit is this? I did the wrong one. I need to get a handle on my data setup. That's probably the next thing. Once it starts rendering, then I'm going to start looking at like nicer world generation, enemies, all that good stuff. Ah, here we go. Okay. I had to find these things. Wall tile, enemy. Okay, so I'm going to be an ampersand. The enemy will be an exclamation point. And the wall tile is going to be... Yeah, you know what? Let's flip this around. That's the wall, and floor will be... Let's just do a dot. Okay, so those characters should render better. Yeah. So for TikToks, I think starting off, I would just find funny clips in these streams. Okay, can we move? Holy shit! Look at that. I don't look right. You see, I'm actually playing my game. Okay, this is fantastic. It works! Yes! That's what we want. Okay, color schemes are way off. You know what? We can actually get that. So I think the colors keep getting switched back, which probably means that like I'm doing something super wrong with that reference. So I'll have to figure out why the colors keep getting flipped back and forth. But let's see what we got. Or I may not even be setting the color, to be honest. That could be the other problem. Background color, let's set it to dark. Just so we have something to see. And let's do light mid. Yeah, it's really it's so it's tough to explain the. I don't know. I keep thinking like the way I code, I'm going for like this experience of I have idea, and then I kind of slowly work, and it comes together, and I'm like it just worked. And it's the same thing like when I'm painting. You know, where it like nothing's gonna work, nothing's gonna work, nothing's gonna work, and nothing, boom, and it comes together. I think I like that sensation for some reason. I mean, shit, that's basically it. I just gotta get the graphics back and actually get the color to work. And then we've got game. Okay, a lot of the problem is because it's processing, SFML expects Unicode, and I'm just passing in a regular character, so we'll get the graphics to look a lot better. A lot less, swastikas. I don't know why the ampersand looks like a swastika. Oh shit, I'm gonna get banned. For some reason it's rendering it as an italic, I don't know why. Okay. Now, I believe the colors may be correct, but I think in my code I'm not actually telling SFML to render a color, so that may be the actual fix. So let's do this as foreground and then background. But I'll print out yeah, it'll be janky as hell, but let's print it. Yeah. Actually, I'll just grab that thing from the test. I just want to see, because I'm pretty sure... Okay, it's gonna spew to the screen like crazy, but that's fine. I just want to see it. I think it's just not... I'm just not telling SFML to make a color. Right. Alright, yep, do that. Yeah. Yeah, so see how they're all 0? Foreground and background is always 0. You can take a look. Okay, so I just have to tell SFML to use a color. But I believe FTX UI, I believe, just assumes the terminal has a default color. So I think we're going to need to modify ANSI parser to take a default color and then process the reset code. Okay. And I think that'll actually fix that. Because there's this code, was it 49? Yeah, so see you have a default background and foreground color, and 39, this one also. Those two do, basically the way terminals work, they always have a text background and foreground. And so all the ANSI codes do is change that. So if you don't have it, then they just default to that. So if I pass a default color, where are you at? Yeah, I think right here. Yeah, alright, so let's set a... default foreground, let's do light, light. And then default background, we'll do black. And then we want foreground, background there. Okay, and then go to this. Let's use big words. Okay, and then to the parser. Yeah, here. Okay, so then... I wonder if we can just reuse that variable. No, we gotta keep it straight. Okay, so equals... let's do it initialized like that. Okay, so that will start off with that color set. Let me reposition my head real quick. Okay. Yeah, okay, so we'll get a default color, background, foreground, and then reset. Yeah. Should be color equals default foreground. And color equals default background. So that'll reset those two, BG color. Okay, so as they're processing it, they'll go and set the color in those two variables, but then whenever the reset code hits, these 39 and 49, it'll reset it to whatever I said the default is, and it'll start off as the default. Okay, and then after this is basically working, what I want to do, I have to also make it handle Unicode characters instead. So then once that's working, and I'm rendering all the glyphs that I want, then I go in and I can tell FTX UI, just code in FTX UI. That's it. Just like set colors, do all the stuff. But then I can start doing my own codes for like fancy stuff. Alright, let's check that. Oh, my test case is wrong. Let's do... yeah, let's just 0, 0, 0. then default background. Let's just do like 100, something weird. It's not actually getting displayed, but I just want to be able to debug it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, good. And then make run. Okay, yeah. There we go. So now it has my default color that I wanted. Wow, that's slick. Can I still zoom? Zoom still works. Oh man, it's so cool when you have like an idea and it more or less works the way you thought. Wait, why am I doing control? I don't need that. Alright, so now we just gotta get the Unicode part of it to work. And then get some color involved with FTX UI. Yeah, that's cool. Well, I mean, I think that's pretty much it. Now it's just a matter of like kind of cleaning this up and making it work with different colors. So let me go figure out where I'm doing that. Yeah, honestly, I don't need this anymore. So let's nuke this. Absolute pile of garbage. Bye-bye, original function. Yeah, okay, so we got that. Yeah, let's go have FTX UI do some stuff. Let me rerun the build. Yeah, that'll be cool. So I'll go, if I can basically just code FTX UI only, then we're set. And then it's just a matter of like keep improving that ANSI renderer to do different stuff. Ah, that is so slick. Doesn't look like much, but man. Okay, so we want where am I doing the actual, is it GUI? Now, I think it's actually done in the system. Yeah, I think I'm doing it in one of my systems. Yeah. Let me think. We can set a color there. Let's do the wall. Yeah, okay. So right here. Canvas, draw text. Where are you at? Actually go here instead. Hmm. Interesting. How do you set the background? Let's try that first. Let's do 20, 20, 20. Does it take a 0? Okay. Alright, so if we get gray walls, it worked. No, does not work. Maybe. Let's make it something really terrible. Let's make the walls red. Yeah, is it RGB or HSV? Yeah, RGB. How do you set the background color? It supports background color, but... Yeah. Oh, let's just try setting anything. Yeah, so either FTX UI is setting a color, but I'm not processing it correctly, or it's not actually setting colors. It should be, though. Let's go. No, it should be getting set in there. Let me just confirm. I think I need to do that. Yeah, let's do that. So let's do hue, saturation value, hue, 100, whatever that is, saturation, 10, value 10. Okay. Yeah, so I need, I think I need this one. Damn. Yeah, I'm thinking there's some dumb setting I have to tell FTX UI that it's allowed to do those colors. So this may involve a bit of investigating into FTX UI. Wonder if it's this. No, because draw text should do that. Yeah, okay. So I think we're at a point where I can probably commit and yeah, maybe we'll sign off in a bit, but I'll investigate that a little bit more. And so basically, FTX UI tries to be fancy and figure out what your terminal can support. Well, my terminal is fake, right? So it's most likely looking in here at the terminal that I'm running it in and going, oh, you can't support those colors, and then just refusing to do it. So I'm probably going to have to look in there. I don't think this is going to work. No, that ain't going to work. No. We can try. Nah. Yeah, so the wall should basically come up with like a dull color of some kind. Let's just take a quick look. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to look into this. Yeah, that right there. Okay, yeah, I think we're at a point where I can probably... Yeah, so I need to find the stylizer and like basically how they're determining if the color is valid or not. Yeah, but other than that, yeah, let me just check this out a bit more. Okay, that should be fine. All right, then draw a point. Okay, so yeah, I'm most likely gonna have to trace through where it determines if it can do the color or not, and then figure out like because the test works. The test is picking the correct colors. In fact, we can probably do... Oh, it is doing that. Yeah, so see, it's picking full HSV values. Just not quite sure... It could also be that. Yeah, it could be like in the renderer. I guess I just gotta look around where in FTX UI where I can tell it, hey, you do this color. So I'm pretty sure if I do other colors, it's gonna try to do a different code that I don't want. Okay, but if we can't do that, we can at least get the UTF-8 characters to show up correctly. Yeah, so we can at least get rid of that part. So we'll do that. Okay. I'll leave that there for then when I get it to work, but let's do the other one. Let me think. Blah, 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 blah. Ah, yes. Well, you know what? Let me check this in. No, yeah, let's try to... Nah, yeah, let's check this in. That's a good stopping point. And then we'll get UTF-8 working, so the original graphics come back. Yes. Okay, good. Okay, so now next thing. Go back to map. Alright, we want these to come back. But let's make floor tile that. It'll be a little confusing if it's not. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. And then ANSI parser here. String view. Is there a W string view, or does it kind of just work with anything? Yes. So I think I need to make that a W string view. Yeah. And go into here, make this a W string view. This needs to be W char. I need to tell Ragel it's using W char. Alf type. Where is that? Where do I set that? I think that. Is that actually going to work? Oh, this is going to get hairy as hell. Why? Why you did that? I think int. I think that'll translate. Ooh, this is gonna get hairy. Hmm. Okay, so first let's get the test to work. Yeah, that'll need to convert. Let me modify the Mason build. Yeah, let's not do that for now. Oh yeah, that's gonna be gnarly. No, it's gonna be Man, what a massive can of worms. Okay, let's look up from jars. Let's go here. Darn. Damn, man. That's a pain in the ass. Yeah, does anything, Wow, I don't think any conversion function supports Unicode. Oh, that's gnarly. Oh, that's gnarly as hell. Holy crap. Am I literally going to be writing my own converter? Wow, that's nuts. You had to be shitting me, man. Damn. Wow, this is oh, so tough. Wow, that's ruthless. Yeah, I may actually have to write my own integer conversion. I just can't believe that that's actually not possible. I mean, Windows has a thing. Oh. Yeah, that's fucking copyright. What the fuck? Hopefully I don't get a strike. No, but this is wrong. And Geeks for Geeks is terrible. A pile of garbage. Wow, this is gnarly. Yeah, so the problem is that... Let me see if I can think about this. Alright, so you got like a string, right? And let's say... These are like my control codes. So those are fine. Those aren't Unicode. So they're going to be like an escape character and then like say 2 semicolon 4, something like that, right? And then after that, because Unicode, UTF-8 especially, each of these characters might be a different actual byte width. I would then have like the display character there, right? So the problem is, I don't even know if this parser is going to actually work on a Unicode character. It should. Yeah, it should. wchar should fit, and if I convert it, it should work. But the problem is that all of those conversion functions want a regular string, but I'm using a wide string. So what I have to do, which is just fucking disgusting, is when I hit an escape, I have to pull this out into a separate string, run the Unicode converter stuff, construct a whole string like this, and then pass it to this from chars or any of those, which is just wrong, man. There's no way. I would basically be, every time I render the screen, I would be basically making a ton of 2-byte strings, because I'm just parsing like 2 bytes. But I have to take the 2 bytes, convert it to not Unicode, run a integer conversion function to get the number. So this means probably the next step, and then we're going down deep rabbit holes of DIY. But yeah, I think I have to write my own integer conversion function if I want this to be efficient. Because right here, because I've done the parsing, right? These are all actual numbers. Right? These are all going to match up with these actual characters. So that's fine. It's going to be just plain old numbers. I don't have to worry about them being like accidentally a Cyrillic 9 or something like that, right? So that means right here, I could get rid of that. I could do a manual. Yeah, right here. This is great. Yeah, so manual number conversion here. I haven't done that since I was like 12. So that'll be fun. Alright, I think I'll be closing off here pretty soon. If anyone's got any questions, go ahead and ask. And yeah, next session. I might do some more hacking tonight, maybe about 12 a.m. Kind of hit the European side of the world. Because I was sitting there programming last night, and I'm like, I could just turn the camera on and code. It's kind of like my work break. So, yeah. I'm going to leave it in kind of a broken state. I kind of like to do that, leave my code broken. It sort of helps me remember what I have to do. But it's pretty cool that basically the whole idea worked. Now we're getting into Unicode stuff. I think this is the only thing I got to do. The only thing I really have to do is just convert numbers. Let me just research what that's like. What is that like? I just look up C convert. Yeah, I don't know if you're really going to be able to find... It's something that nobody actually writes. It's always done for you. Yeah, that could be it. You might be right. It's just -0, right? Yeah, hold up. ASCII chart. You just made me remember, like, the code I wrote when I was, like, 12. I can't remember shit, but I can remember that crap. Yeah, you're right. It's just, subtract the... from 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Yeah. But is there, like, a fast one? You write it all the time? Yeah, because you're doing parsers and stuff, right? Is there one that's just, like... blazing fast? It's not even, it's like some bit twiddling super ninja magic, or you just do that? Okay, so we just subtract the character and we do it one character at a time. I might be able to do that in the parser. One digit at a time, and then there's just the issue of, so bad at math, I don't know how to add it to the number, but that's what we'll have to figure out. Cool. I actually kind of like the idea of doing that. I'm a masochist. Yeah, it's weird because like if none of these conversion functions can take a Unicode string, but SFML wants Unicode, so my parser here has to handle Unicode, has to take Unicode right there. That's fine. I can do all that conversion, that's fine. The only thing I need is just the number formats, because all the numbers are going to be single characters. I hope that's what happens. Okay, anyways, thanks for hanging out, folks. Let me know what you think of this new music style. I kind of like this. I like the classical music. And then, yeah, I'm going to do another one tonight at about 12 a.m. I think I'll be ready for another work break about then. So, yeah, we'll do some manual number conversion and we'll get this parser working. And then I'll actually do the next thing I wanted to do, which is make my own special codes that cause like screen shake or something else. Yeah, times 10. Times 10. Let me take notes. Thank you, sir. Let's see. I think that's enough for me to figure it out from there. Yeah, it's just the... No, actually, let me do a little bit more. And... yeah, you're right. It's this. There, it's that, right? Yeah, the current number times 10, that'll move it over, plus the whatever string I have, character I have minus ASCII code 0. Yeah, I think that's right. Yeah, okay, got it. Yeah, we'll sort it out from there. I'll do a tiny little test, unit test, and have it do that. And then one other thing I want to do, I want to get rid of this. I don't want to build this thing anymore. You know what is really slow for some weird reason, is the linking. Most of the compilation is done. It's the linking. So I may look into trying to speed that up or use a better linker. Yeah. Yeah, got it. I'll figure that out. Okay, cool. All right. All right, thank you, everybody. Enjoy the classical music while I shut down, and I will see you maybe tonight at 12 a.m. or maybe tomorrow. Oh, you have a big number library? Oh yeah, so that's why you have to do this. Yeah, if you know of like a blazing fast, like some sort of like assembly language ninja crap that does this, let me know. That'd be kind of fun too. Yeah, cool. Thank you. You should email me a link to that big num library you're working on. I'll check that out. All right, everyone. Signing off. I'll leave you with some classical for a while.